Hello, my name is John and I'm the science educator for Children's Museum Houston, and we are in our How Does It Work exhibit all the way in the back of that room at our science station. In a previous video, we explored the plastics that we see every day, and one of the things I talked about was the aluminum can and how there's actually plastic inside. So what we're going to do today is try to reveal that plastic layer in an aluminum can. For today's experiment, I'm going to be using drain cleaner, an aluminum can, and a 1,000 milliliter beaker. Now, unlike a lot of my previous videos where we did the experiments together, this experiment you should not try at home. I am a trained scientist, but I'm forgetting one thing. Oh yeah, I need my safety gear. Now we're ready. So we first need to prepare our can before we combine it with the drain cleaner. I have 3 different cans up here right now just to show you kind of the 3 different phases of prepping the can. So there's a layer on the outside of the can that has to be removed because the chemical reaction that we're gonna eventually see reacts with the aluminum. And right now the aluminum is actually covered. So you can tell that I've scraped off some of the label here and I've scraped off a lot of the label here. And I'm going to show you a couple different examples because I've tried this a bunch of different times of when you have some of the layer off and all of the layer off. So I have scraped this can with some sandpaper and now it is ready to dive into our bath of drain cleaner. The first step is to add our drain cleaner to the beaker. Then using a chopstick, I will place the aluminum can into the drain cleaner. Now we wait. The reaction you're seeing in the beaker is between the aluminum in the can and the sodium hydroxide in the drain cleaner. This results in what's called sodium aluminate, and this produces an exothermic reaction, and this will release heat. Aluminum cans are used to package soda and sparkling water, but there is a plastic coating inside the can. Since 1950, coatings have been added to aluminum and steel cans. The coating is an epoxy resin called bisphenol A, or BPA. This prevents acidic drinks from reacting with the aluminum can and eating through the can. The epoxy layer in the can also prevents us from consuming high levels of aluminum, which would be toxic. The plastic liner forms a barrier between the product and the metal, providing protection against foodborne diseases. Thank you all for tuning in today to our experiment where we revealed the plastic layer that's hidden in our aluminum cans. Now, if you guys are following us through YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and keep track of us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Again, my name is John, coming to you from Children's Museum Houston. And remember, I am a trained scientist, so please do not try this at home, and we will see you guys next time.